Okay, so how do you get to the app library on your iPhone? When you first unlock your phone, you'll land on the home screen, which looks like this. And your home screen usually has different pages you can navigate through. How many pages depends on each user. Some people have a bunch, some have only a few. If you swipe all the way to the right, past all your home screen pages, that's where you'll find your app library. This basically shows all your apps, just in a more curated and condensed format. It's automatically organized for you, and you can't change how it's sorted, even if you wanted to. You'll see suggestions based on your usage, recently added apps, and then categories like social media, creativity, entertainment, and so on. You can tap directly into any app from here, or if you see one of these little groups, you can tap the group to expand it and see everything inside it. The Utilities group, for example, only shows 4 app icons at a glance, but when I tap into it, you'll see there's actually a lot more apps included in that group. The app library has 2 main views, this quick preview with the little groups, or if you tap the search bar up top, you'll get a full alphabetical list of every app you have. This is an easy way to find something specifically by name. You can also use these little letters running down the side. Tap a letter to jump straight to it, or slide your finger along them to quickly scroll the whole list. And of course, there's search, which is great for those of you that have a ton of apps installed. Just activate the search by tapping it, type a few letters, and that app will show up. Now, there's 2 ways an app can live in your app library. It can either show up both on your home screen and in the app library, or, depending on how your phone is set up, an app might only live in the app library. For example, you'll see how Instagram is here on my home screen with all the other apps, and if I go in the app library, it's also there. But if I go back to the home screen and long press the app, I can choose to remove it and then specify that I want to remove it from the home screen only. When I do that, the app disappears from my home screen, but it's still sitting right here in my app library. I guess the idea is that you can clean up the home screen pages and have some of your less frequently used apps still available through the app library. If I ever want that app back on my home screen, I just press and hold it here and choose Add to Home Screen, and it goes right back. Doesn't usually go back in the same spot where it was before, but you can always long press the app and move it wherever you'd like. Also, if you go to Settings and scroll down to Home Screen and App Library, you can control what happens to newly downloaded apps by default. Normally, they go to both the home screen and the app library, but if you switch this to App Library only, it'll keep your home screen clean, and new apps will only show up in the app library going forward. There's a couple of other options here too, like whether notification badges show up in the app library or not. And that is how you use and navigate the app library on your iPhone. Appreciate you guys watching. If you found this helpful, I'd love if you can click the like button down there, and make sure to subscribe for more simple and easy guides like this. Thanks all, till next time.